Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today in the beautiful land of Japan to celebrate one of life's most sacred gifts, the union of Justin and Megumi in marriage. This moment is more than a celebration of love. It is the merging of two families, two cultures, and two souls who choose each other freely and fully. It is a promise of partnership, of laughter through the joyful days and strength through the trying ones. Marriage at its heart is not about perfection. It's about presence. It's about choosing one another again and again with intention and grace. Justin and Megumi share a love for the ocean. And like surfing, marriage is about learning to move with the tides. There will be calm waters and there will be waves. Sometimes you ride high, sometimes you wipe out. But the beauty lies in showing up for the next set together, trusting each other, paddling forward, waiting for the perfect break, and celebrating the ride, no matter how long or short.
So, I'm not too sure if any of you know the backstory of how Megu and Justin met, but we're standing up here today to tell you that it's all because of us. One day, when I was hanging out with Megu, I posted a picture of her on my Instagram story, and about 30 seconds later, I received a response from Justin asking if she was single.
So a couple days after Justin met Megu for the first time, and he was telling me how he wanted to set up a date for him and Megu to go on. When it came down to selecting the restaurant, Justin asked me, "What do you think? Should I take her to CPK or Ruscello?" Neither of these places truly stood out in my mind, and so I had to ask him. I said, "Well, why are those the only two options?" And without any sort of hesitation, he looks at me dead in the eyes, and he goes, "Bah, 'cause I get gift cards."
They have been together for 5 years now, and I just want to say that we are so lucky to be able to witness the love between the two of them grow over the years. Megu and Justin, oh my gosh. I also want to say thank you both for being the most amazing friends and always cheering us on from almost 3,000 miles away. We are so grateful to have you in our lives.
When I proposed to Megumi at the Zojoji Temple right outside of this hotel, we joked around that, hey, what if we came to Japan and had a reception here and got married in Japan? It made all the sense of the world, considering her family and her background, and that being our favorite place, being Nihon. And truly like seeing this become a reality has been unforgettable and just a dream come true. So thank you for everyone being here. I mean, traveling so far, and we're just so grateful.